So in light of the coronavirus issue that's going around at the moment, we've been asked to look at issues around force majeure and frustrated contracts legislation. What is that? Force majeure is a unforeseeable or an event or circumstance that is beyond the reasonable control of the parties. So I guess the most important thing to look at with your contracts is, do you have a well-drafted force majeure clause? If you are currently in a situation where you can't perform your contractual obligations, then it's best to seek advice on that, seek to see whether or not your clause sufficiently deals with the event of coronavirus. If it does not, then we look at the New South Wales legislation, which is the Frustrated Contracts Act. What that does is it looks at an unforeseeable circumstance where the parties can't complete their contractual obligations, and to make sure that each or one of the parties doesn't get some unjust enrichment. For example, if I've paid somebody a certain amount to complete a task and they can't complete that because of the coronavirus, then whether or not I am obliged to give that money back. So the Act deals with that circumstance and ensuring that both parties are justly dealt with and they're compensated for these circumstances.